Hey guys, today is the last day of the year. It is December 31st. This is gonna be the last video of the year, guys. I don't know what else to say really, because this been a long year for me. Yeah, it has been some ups and downs. You know, trials and tribulations, everything. But we made it through the year so far. This would be the last vlog for this year, y'all. I mean, oh my God, I can't believe we're finna be at 225. 2025, I mean, y'all know what I was trying to say. 2025. I wanted to put the video up earlier, but I didn't get a chance to. I just want to come in and just say hey, and I'll see you guys next year, I guess. I hope everybody be safe and enjoy whatever it is, relaxing, hanging out with family, going to see fireworks with friends, whatever it is. Enjoy your life. I'm home with my kids, we just chilling. The kids outside, so I'm gonna let y'all say hey to them in a second. But yeah. And y'all, my birthday is in January. If y'all ain't heard it, I said it several times on my live. Yes. Your girl is getting old. Most definitely. Yeah, but this vlog shouldn't be that long. I didn't put up a lot. I hope y'all enjoy it. I don't know what's going to happen with next year. I'm still continue trying to grow through all the good, bads, ups and downs. Yeah, that life throws at us. So yeah, guys, so let me let y'all say hey to the kids, and I love y'all. This was a ride along the way in 2024. Thank you, Lord, for everything. Good, the bad times. Because if I'm still here breathing and getting through it, then I'm okay. And we okay. Yeah, so you guys, I will see y'all in another video, guys. So we're gonna roll on in a minute with the vlog. I love y'all, and y'all be blessed. Until next time, babies. Bye, y'all.
Hey, y'all. It's the last day of 2024.
Tell them y'all love them, y'all.
Love y'all.
Tell them we'll see y'all next year.
See y'all 2025.
Wait. Kids outside, y'all. They're just chilling.
Bitch.
It feel nice out.
Bitch.
Just chill out. That's unnecessary.
Go get it, boy.
Hello guys, happy Monday again. Made a quick trip to Dollar General, and bought some little knickknacks. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I bought, and yeah, that's that. I bought some milk raisinets, chocolate raisins. Sorry. Bought some 2 boxes of Mike and Ike's. Well, 3 boxes actually. Just the mega mix one. Bought some Chips Ahoy candy blast. Some Airheads, 2 bags of Airheads. I bought a pack of bacon, Just let you know that I didn't feel like going to the. I didn't feel like going to Walmart. I really didn't. Let me stick this in here right quick. I'm sorry, guys. Hold on. I can't stand when hush. I can't stand when people go and I put the food in the refrigerator and you don't have it covered the right way. Cover the food up. Put it back how you seen it. Okay, my bad. Excuse me, y'all. The Captain Waffers cookie Lance cookies, which is this flavor is the cream cheese chive. I have the toast cheese peanut butter. I'm sorry, yeah. Toast cheese peanut butter. The Nicot lemon lime lemon cream. And the vanilla cream as well. I bought some Folgers coffee. Coffee is really going up. $7, but it's probably like $8 at, it might be like 7 or 8 at Walmart, I don't know. But the other one that's bigger, $10. Like, really? $7? Like, this used to be like $5, $6, about like $4, $5. I don't know. I bought some raviolis, some beefaronis, some chewing gum. I got a couple of, I think one raviolis. I hate when my stuff fall. Spaghetti, meatballs. I tried the corned beef was sitting so far back, so I couldn't reach it, so I got the one that was sitting right in front of me, the roast beef hash. I wanted corned beef, but it wasn't, I didn't feel like asking for no help. You go in the store, and Dollar General, everybody in the bag, and like I'm just standing at the counter like, hello? Is somebody gonna help me? Do I need to ring up my own stuff? Like, they be in the bag, like, can y'all come to the front of the store? Beefaroni. And they wonder why people be just taking stuff. And they shouldn't, but still. Beanie Weenies. I bought some curly red pepper. Pork skins. I got some more chips over there because they 2 for $1. So I bought some I think I didn't mean to get this bag right here, but the crunchy Cheetos. Got 2 bags of funny onions, 2 bags of salt and vinegar. I think I showed y'all the Airheads. I think I did. I don't know. I got 2 bags of the classic Lay's, 2 bags of cheese puffs. Bought some eggs. Chewing gum. And I want to say that's it. Let me see. But it's the rest of the chips. From my oldest 2 like hot fries. I just bought 2 bags of hot fries. And I think I showed the salt and vinegar. But yeah, the rest of the chips in here. So yes guys, that's it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the little knickknacks. Have some. I'm finna get in here and make me some breakfast, take my insulin. For those who don't know, I'm diabetic. Sometimes I get on here and I show y'all me giving myself my insulin or whatever I'm doing before I eat. I show my machine and all, tell y'all my diabetic numbers. But yeah, it's very important. So maybe we'll talk about it later on. But yeah guys, that's conclude my Dollar General haul. Let me put this stuff up and get myself together because I'm all over the place like always. Okay guys, you guys be blessed and have a good day. Until next time, baby. I see you on another video. Love y'all. Bye. Pause my music. Hey y'all. Say hey, y'all.
Hey y'all.
I just picked the kids up from school. And I'm on the way to go get Roy, you guys. Now, Zion got him a little girlfriend. And are you what be going on when y'all be what happened on you when it's in dismissal time? When it's dismissal time?
Zion be getting out his spot just to go see Bella. Well, I didn't mean to say the name. And she be like, you already know the drill. With my man.
What you be like? Hey, you be shy like what you say? Hey.
Yeah, they be always bless you.
You scared? What? He's so shy. That's all you get is a hey. That's it. That's all. Y'all ever hug? No hugging.
You only get it once though.
No hugging. Handshake. No hugs.
Why no hugs?
No hugs.
What's wrong with
To
no
high
hugs?
school. A hug for high school. But anyways, y'all, yeah, we just sitting here waiting. Well, it's a disabled, I think it's a school or some kind of like a daycare, aftercare or something. So I'm just waiting for the bus to pull off or whatever. This what, what's the name kids school at? Okay, guys. I guess I'll talk to y'all later. I just want to let y'all know these children is something else. Bye, y'all. Say bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
today is Saturday. We is about to go run some errands right quick. So y'all come along with me. And I know it's Saturday. Y'all might be chilling. You don't want to be bothered, but come on. Come on. Come. Okay, y'all. Today is December 21st. And we finna get ready to go run some errands across the street. So y'all come on and I'm gonna bring y'all in the store. We ain't gonna be out too long because it's getting late or whatever. But yeah, guys, y'all come on with us and enjoy a little bit of our day. And yeah, you be blessed, and we will see you in a minute. Bye, guys. Hey, say hey, y'all.
Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all.
All right, come on. All right, y'all. We just got in the car. We finna head across the bridge. Where we going? I think we finna go to Burlington right quick. Burlington Coat Factory. Well, it's Saturday, so it is what it is. It is what it is. All right. Y'all ready to go? Let's go. Y'all should have been came outside the morning call. The children don't listen to
the car
nothing.
already warm.
It's not, no. We talking about the whole car. When you cut the car on you not.
It felt nice when I came to get
Child, it's chilly out here.
It felt good out in the car though. It felt good.
Yeah, it's inside.
It was cold earlier. It was 42 degrees.
I miss the warm weather.
You was complaining how it was too hot.
No, I was not complaining, honey. I was enjoying the
I
weather.
hope the
It was
weather.
like it's too hot.
I hope it be 23 degrees.
I was enjoying the weather.
It would be 23 degrees.
I was enjoying it, honey. I was not complaining. Anybody want to go?
I already got one. I forgot I had put my
Okay, y'all. We'll be back.
jacket.
Hey y'all, we at finna get ready to go in Burlington. Royal. You get right hand. Let me turn around. All right, y'all. Zai.
I like Miss Stacy. When I had the candy bag, he put it in his eye. He was putting it all deep in his eye, mama.
Chill out, Zai. Don't do that no more.
Yeah.
What's up? A lot of people. Why you get on here? Oh, they're so cute.
We got some pretty stuff up here. We got boy stuff, mama. Mama.
I know, Zai.
Do they
You
got
don't think
boy
I know
stuff?
that? Zai, I know that.
But I'm saying, like, these too big for me? Mama, these too big for me? These too big?
Yes. That's too big for you.
Go in my room.
Why you can't hold her hand? Why you can't hold her hand, Zai?
I'll show them some.
Get your sister's hand, Worthy. Okay, we're looking for. I'm you. We're looking for. Do they sell purses in here?
It's a perfume pack.
Oh, look at it, so cute. A little shoes, a little.
Look how big this beauty blender is.
That's too big. That's
pretty good.
I'm looking for the perfume. I think that's. It's over there. Hey y'all, we not too long came out of Burlington. I'm sorry I got peppermint in my mouth because my sugar started dropping in the stove and it always never fails and it's so aggravating. And for those who don't know, I'm a diabetic. So yeah, but anyways, my sister just turned the big 5-0, my older sister. So the kids, for their gift to give to her, we finna go get the rest of the stuff and back the stuff up. So the main stuff I got now, I got her this Paris Hilton.
What goes? Can you do? What's that?
Oh.
Okay. Okay, my turn.
I did too.
Say, didn't I say hush? Tell your kids just don't know how to act. And then she got this little wallet set. This little wallet, well, not a set, but a little wallet change.
What is that? What is
And yeah.
Okay.
And a pocket thing. I think this is so cute. Yeah. She put her little change in there. So, and then we'll get the other little stuff so I can bag it up, get the balloon and card, and whatever else little goodies we put in the bag, or whatever. So, yeah. So, I hate that you can't really smell it, but it might. I'm sure it might smell close to mine, the one I have. So, cause I couldn't smell them, so I tried to get something I thought that smelled good. So hopefully it smell good, cause I couldn't. Ain't like I can open and smell it. So yeah, I told y'all to hush. Okay, y'all. I'll come back because they're getting on my nerves and my sugar a little low and it's frustrating. And the kids not listening. They're going to really make me go there. All right, y'all.
Hey.
Ray said, hey, y'all. Oh, we waiting at the beauty store, y'all.
And we waiting for Anya.
Anya went in there in the hair store right
And
quick.
Wawa?
So I'm sitting here waiting on them. I might have to circle them out. I don't know.
Yeah, I guess I'm hungry.
Ray said she hungry, so
And
we'll
I
get some.
guess
Where
I
you?
got no such you can't eat.
Right.
Like, I been for real. Caught in a car. And I'm so hungry.
Anyways, I wish they hurry up, cause y'all in Burlington, it was a little crowded. I don't like going in the stores while it's too crowded. It's just too much for me. I don't know. Here go the kids right here. Let me just sit in the front seat. I'm you. You come in the front. Is that our daughter?
It was so nice seeing my teacher.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah.
Where's the donut?
Okay. Did you find her in the sofa?
No, I'm gonna take for
Oh.
her from the wrong person.
Hmm?
I'm gonna take for the wrong person.
What you mean?
So somebody else that had the same hairstyle, so I thought that was her.
Oh my God. Oh Lord. Okay, y'all. We finna get ready to go. We gotta go Dollar Tree real quick. Whew. I bet y'all like, well, damn, I'm glad she gonna change too. My other ones, I be trying to switch it, y'all, but the other ones be too
What's
heavy.
something in here? Oh yeah, it's a lot in here.
Close it off, and don't, you ain't got to do all that to it. Keep it closed.
What I did?
Oh my God, who you went up to? Put y'all seat back on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Bye.
All right, y'all. Guess we'll see y'all in Dollar Tree.
Bye.
Bye. Oh. Zion, you stop yelling. You don't have to. Your big mouth don't have to be that loud. Hush. You need to calm down with the buggy.
Oh, this too. Hold up.
Oh, that's big enough. Don't open it. You gotta do that
Oh.
to it. All right, put it in here.
I'll show you how big it is.
Okay, put it in there. What else I said I had to get? Oh, go get the balloon up there. Probably put like a little snack or something in there for. Yeah. Well, get the paper. Come on, get her hand. Get that boy your hand, please. Okay, y'all. We just gonna put the bag together with the stuff we have. Go ahead. Oh, I did not know that go first. I'm so dumb. Why I thought the confetti y'all stuff go at the bottom and you put everything at the top?
No, you cover
I'm
the
thinking
gift
about
with this.
You know what? I'm thinking about an Easter basket.
That's what you do with an Easter basket.
Yeah, I'm thinking about an Easter basket. So, okay.
I forgot we had it. But
Okay, the wallet. Oh, the wallet. The wallet. Let me make sure I got my receipt.
Yeah, we got
for-
blue things.
for,
Cause didn't you say she like dark colors?
for my fetch, like black.
Dark. It's still blue.
I don't like dark colors, but I didn't even want to get the blue thing right here, but it's okay. Open that up.
I wish it was ready. Man.
Oh, what a perfume. Oh, okay. What else?
I thought it was one more
snack.
thing.
The
The
snack.
snacks, yeah.
Then the snacks first.
Let me see, cause I gotta figure out. I have to forgot what I had there out of.
It was
Let me put this out
Airheads.
this
I remember Airheads and High Chews. It was High Chews and Airheads, Mama.
Yeah, Mama.
If y'all see me look sideways, it's because my phone is a post, something,
Right.
somebody posting or whatever on the phone. So the children got her snacks too. Let's see, what did we pick her out?
It was High Chews and Airheads.
It's a bag on the floor by you, you. It ain't in here. It ain't in here. It ain't in here. It's on the
I saw only the soap in here. It ain't in here.
Well, give me it's another bag right there. Let me see.
Yeah.
What's in there?
Candy.
Let me see.
Butter. Cheese it.
Oh, it's right here. Here. They're gonna throw some candy in there for her because she loves snacks, some hot chews and some Airheads. Put that in there and one more. Oh yeah, this her. You know what? It's amazing. This bag had all the stuff in there. That was her. Okay, this her right here. And,
I thought you said that was yours.
No, I got a bag. I have a bag.
Oh yeah.
A bag for me back there.
Lay it down. Now the confetti, right?
Yeah, go ahead and put it in there. This is the bag right here. This bag right here.
I already showed it.
We put the snacks on top of the two gifts.
I think we can watch.
They don't put a lot of pictures in there.
Now you can
That's good enough.
eye.
And you forgot to put the balloon in there.
Now you can your eye.
The balloon go in it.
I mean, I was gonna put the thing at the bottom.
If you didn't get the little spiky
That's
part,
fine.
you could
You
have tied the
could've
balloon on here.
I thought about that. Dumb, just dumb. It's all good. Let me see. Cause that holds the balloon so it won't fly too, but
Yeah.
it's all good. Put it right there, and I got the balloon. And guess what we forgot, y'all? The card. Oh, it's all good.
We giving it to her tonight?
I'm trying to see where she at. I don't even know where she at. Let me call her. I gotta see where she at.
Don't
I
tell
gotta
her.
get-
Don't tell her.
Excuse me. And then we gotta get something to eat because I gotta get something.
Can we get Wingstop?
Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all. Let me call my sister. Let me see where she's at.
My name is Kind Candy.
Here, get this bag. Okay, y'all get your snack. Here.
Taste my stuff.
Oh, please don't smush the stuff.
Oh, yes.
I can't. Give me. Hold on, Roya.
All right. Hold on.
Okay, y'all. Let me call and see where she at. And we'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Mommy, it's not morning time.
No, it's not morning time. Hey, y'all. We at Wingstop for you because Wingstop is too expensive. It's not, to me, the taste is not worth the price. I'd rather go to a place like Lemon Pepper or something like that because their food is more tasty. It's more better with how the texture is with the meat, I guess. I don't know. But and it's more crispier. There's a more soft texture chicken wing, not crispy. To me, from what I've tasted. But I'm like, I'm gonna go to churches, honey. But we get churches for the rest of us, and I'm the only one. Last time when we was out, she wanted what it was, Chick-fil-A. Guess what? She wasn't even satisfied with it, with them little chicken nuggets, whatever it is, popcorn chicken nuggets. I don't know what the hell it was, but it was chicken nuggets. The little old thing, girl, y'all see how tall is? The girl, my baby can eat, and it wasn't even worth it. So she asked him. I'm thinking a six piece wing and a fry and a drink is no more like $10, $9 something. Why they saying $14? 14 for 6 wings, a drink. She could have went to lemon pepper.
50 or 50.
The lemon pepper place,
Or
like
50.
BS, like for real. Why they in there laughing, Broya? I felt like you just sneezed on me. Dang. Say excuse. Why I felt like I felt something. No, honey. So yeah, but baby gonna be paying me back because this That's too much. $14 for 6 wings, child. I can make that. I can make that better than this.
That baby.
Shit.
This my baby at home.
They need to hurry up with this $14.
My
14.
baby
Well, then it'll be like
at
15
home.
once taxes
And
get
have her
finished.
walk.
This is
And have
ridiculous.
her get in her house.
I know it look crazy because it's dark, y'all, but yeah,
It's creepy. It's creepy.
it's ridiculous.
It's
But
creepy.
okay, I ain't gonna keep y'all long. It's creepy, honey. What's
Yeah,
creepy?
It's creepy.
See, I should have went on down the street. Now I can't do that. And order, shoot, child. This is not all that. Anyways, y'all. But yeah, cause I saw her there with 10. What about 10? By $11, baby. The wings ain't 11. The wings ain't $10, honey. And then look, they don't even have a price. All you see is like the piece they have. You don't even see no damn price on here. It's ridiculous as hell. I finna pull the menu up on my phone. And try to see what the prices was or whatever. Honey, I'm not finna waste my storage for the Wingstop. Ain't about to do it. All right, y'all. I'll holler at y'all later. Love y'all. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Hey, y'all. Happy Sunday. Say hey, Amu.
Hey y'all.
Hey, y'all.
I
say hey.
I grew more.
Hey, Maria.
Stop capping.
Hey, y'all. It is Sunday. Tonight we supposed to go look at the lights. We're gonna take the kids to see the lights. I don't know about the cooking thing tonight.
What cooking thing?
I'm just saying, like, just cooking Sunday dinner. I'm supposed to cook something. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Maybe some cake.
But the air is really getting to my throat. So I'm gonna try to stay on top of that. So I won't be down. Well, we wait 3 days from Christmas, y'all. Are y'all ready?
Oh yeah.
I gotta get ready to ride to the stove. So we need some milk and eggs. So, and I might have to buy some meat. I don't know. But anyways, guys, I just want to come in and say hello to you guys. I hope you're having a great Sunday, wherever you're at in the world. You guys be blessed, and I will talk to you guys later.
Bye. Y'all can pop.
December 23rd. I am up early. I'm headed to the store. I gotta go to the store right quick because me and the kids got to go off today. We're going to the movies. My son have a therapy place, and we was invited to the movies. Yeah, we was invited to the movies, so we got to be there by 1:30. So we're gonna attend that, and then after that, I think the rest of the day is mine because it's stuff I need to get done. And then tomorrow is Christmas Eve because I'm ready to get the holidays out of the way, but I'm thank God for the break with the kids because a lot of back and forth it's a lot, y'all, and you know what I'm saying? It's just a lot, all that back and forth, and you know. Sometimes I struggle too a lot because I'm fighting, y'all. A lot of people don't know I'm diabetic. I'm fighting with my diabetes too. That's a headache as well. So I'm trying to stay on top of that because I don't want no complications. I really don't. And I've been dealing with this for too many years, and it's not easy. It's not an easy road. Trust me. I try to keep my head up through it all, but it ain't as easy as, you know, some people may think, oh, just eat right. It ain't easy as people, you know. But, you know, I do my best, and that's all I can do, and put it in God's hand because that's just what it is. You know, so, yeah. But anyways, tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I'm going to cook a little bit. I'm not cooking a lot. But whatever it is I cook, that's going to be that. Because I think my menu gonna be ham, because y'all remember I supposed to cook the ham on Christmas. I say the heck with this ham and put it back in the freezer. I said I can't do this. I just cooked the turkey, because if I would have waited for that turkey, whatever. But ham, I got a cabbage, I gotta hurry up. I will go to the store. Lord. Cabbage. I ain't doing macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna probably do some shells and cheese. What else? Some rice. Maybe some string beans. Corn on the cob. I need to make a cake because the kids want a cake. I need to make that cake. Y'all know I don't like baking cakes and stuff. I don't. Somebody, is that a cyber truck got stopped by the police? Or is that a regular truck? Let me see. Is that a cyber truck? Yep. A cyber truck, y'all, got stopped by the truck. Who in there? Dang, I'm trying to see who that is driving that cyber. Baby, the cyber got pulled over, honey. Oh, cyber truck, what you done did this early in the morning? Early in the morning. The cyber done got pulled over, baby. Let me make sure I'm dropping, child. Anyways, y'all, let me get off this phone. Let me get off here. I will. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. I love you guys, and you guys be blessed. I'm sure y'all will probably see me before Christmas, on Christmas Eve. I may bring y'all in the kitchen. I might, you know how I do, y'all. I'll be like, I might and still do. I don't know. So, whatever it is, I need to go live. I have fun with y'all, like, even though, you know, we just be talking about a lot, but one day we'll have to get on here and y'all can ask me whatever questions, you know. Y'all can ask me some questions, whatever. But I like to play games too, but I have to get that situated. But yeah, guys, all right, I'm gonna keep y'all on because I don't like to sit on here and talk too long. Y'all already know. So peace out, y'all. If y'all at work, be blessed. Don't let nobody get on your nerves. What we say, we ain't letting that devil tap our shoulder. No, we not. Okay, y'all. Bye. y'all. Hey y'all, and kids out here to the AMC out Orange Park. Going to a Christmas thing together with my son, therapy people. So yeah, we out here. So let me show y'all where we at. 1 second. Oh. You. I said hold right your hand. Yeah. You so hard headed.
I didn't hear you say that.
Put her hands in your pocket.
Right. Zah, you have fun?
Yes.
Enjoy Royal? You have fun?
Yes.
Have fun, are you?
Yes.
Okay. Where y'all going?
I've been wanting it.
Y'all say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I got a projector screen.
You want to show her little art set, y'all? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Got this set of markers, skinny markers, color pencils, smaller color pencils, and a lot of crayons.
This is Royal art set. Royals. Oh, you doing it? If you made it to the end of this video, look, guys, I thank y'all for watching the video. This is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. This is the end of the vlog. I had got sick this day. I went to the hospital and all. So the video gonna really end with me cooking, and that's gonna be that. So we're gonna let that be. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. And as we go into a new year, God bless you guys, and Happy New Year to everybody, cousins. You guys be blessed, and I will see you guys on next year. Love y'all. Bye, guys.